Baby, I can picture it already. The fireplace roaring, something in the oven roasting. I can smell the turkey in the air.
This has been just like the most amazing project, like how rewarding, and I can't wait, like you said. Roaring fire, turkey in the oven, family dinner right here in our kitchen.
Just gives you all the feels.
Gives us all the feels. We were just saying this morning, while we were kind of just doing a quick sweep up to start the next few loose end projects that we have to finish in this room, how the kitchen is literally the heart of the home. And so this has just been literally the project we were so excited for, and then to do it all our complete selves. Like we get to the door and you walk in every time and you're like, oh my gosh, we built this. This is amazing. And best of all, I think it's turned out, I'm gonna say better than we expected, because when you start a DIY kitchen, you have a vision of what you think you want it to look like. And it's just right now, I think we're at the point where it's just beyond what my expectations were for what I thought it was gonna look like.
Yeah, I love every little detail.
And we haven't had to sacrifice anything that we wanted to put into this space, sticking to that under $5,000 budget. And because we had so many like loose parts kind of, because we ordered stuff and we weren't exactly sure what we were gonna need, we've been able to incorporate that pantry laundry room in that same budget. So just keep walking like from space to space, be like, did we really do this in the budget that we were hoping for? So you always know when you watch like the home design shows, they always go way over budget, or you think, how on earth, there's no way they actually spent what they said that they did.
Yeah.
We truly are just shy of $5,000 for both rooms. I know that one's not completed completely yet. We're just kind of finishing this up, but all the supplies are here for it. So we know what the complete budget for it is. It's just insane. And I'm so glad this tile is almost over.
Done tiling.
I'm done tiling.
But
it's
looks
so beautiful. And
I'm so glad we went from one end and all the way across, and just makes it so cohesive. Gives a vibe when you walk in the whole back wall.
Just before we started the tiling, I remember just staring at the stack of tile, which we had kind of like tucked behind our couch in the living room because we were working in this space.
Yeah.
Thinking, oh, I sure hope this looks the way that I think it's going to. Because we wanted to go with that zero grout. We didn't want it to look boxy on the wall like it looked before we put the white grout on.
Yeah.
So our idea wasn't to use any grout at all. And when we started putting it on, I thought, oh, this is gonna either like make or break the space, honestly. Because you think like tiling a whole wall, but we did have so many things to break it up, like the window and the overhead fan and obviously the cupboards and everything, and the wood stove. So not that this tiling would be the complete focal point with those things in front, but it was still gonna be a focal point because it's so right there. That's your main view looking at the kitchen spot. Now I'm obsessed with it. Like I would do it, if I got to pick again, this is what I would pick. So that's a good sign that if you do, when you do a project, if you're gonna have to do it again, that you would still pick the same things. And I don't think we would have changed that at all. I think it would be exactly the same. I love it. And then I'll wipe it all off at the end. Oh no. I literally left it for like 3 minutes. Oh, that was, I didn't want to waste. Could you flip that over? Sorry, I didn't want to waste that. Going with the untraditional method of putting it into the holes because, and then I go over it with the sponge because it's just falling when I was doing the wall.
The wall looks great. The white grout really cleans up the lines and
It just makes them invisible.
yeah, it makes it look like solid rock.
I woke up in the middle of the night.
It's so hot in this corner.
That's what, yeah, yesterday.
We don't even need a wood stove. Scrap the wood stove. Just stand here and keep warm. Oh my gosh. There's a spot there that I need to get I have a little grout scraper. I made a mess. What's new? Hey, Billy. Okay. Now I get to start wiping that off because that's been sitting. This needs to sit for a few minutes and then we're done. And then laundry. Yes.
Then laundry.
It's gonna keep getting hazy. I already have that all wiped off. You can see the bottom there. I still have a little more haze to wipe off.
Yeah.
And then this is gonna be, so right now I'm just kind of in the haze wiping zone. Then we can trim.
Honey, it looks amazing.
I like it. I'm gonna stand back and look at it in a second.
Elysia and I are at the daunting task of actually drilling into our tile wall right now. And I don't want to do it. And I know...
You let go.
Sorry.
Wait, stop. Don't scratch the wall. I was so worried that, you know, I sometimes use the drill bit and then you have to bend it, like it naturally kind of wiggles and bends a little bit and then it snaps. So that's a very thin bit you held that so straight. Nice.
It's so scary.
I'm holding my breath. Yeah. Yesterday I was filming blindly. Today I'm not breathing while we film. This is apparently the right bit. Like we researched what one was going to be the right one and went and got a special bit.
You gotta use a carbide bit for sure.
Yeah.
Nothing else, it'll crack the tile. And even this, I'm like, oh gosh. As if it
is
cracks.
nerve-wracking.
What do? You gotta live with it? Or you gotta chip it out?
Yeah.
Thankfully, we do have enough if it does, but we do have a project in mind that we do want to use the spare tiles for.
Yeah, that would be great because then we wouldn't have any cost to fix what we want to do with the other tiles, right?
Yeah. So let's not break. Do you want to do this one?
No, you're doing just great.
Like I did too.
No. It's all you.
It's learning. Okay. Are you sure it's so fun?
You're doing so good. Why would I take over? Try?
Like you gotta.
Okay, all right. I'll try. Yeah, I'll try. Okay. I was like, if I do it and it cracks, I'm gonna so regret that.
Putting our life in boxes, erasing the memories so you won't notice.
How was school?
Gifts.
Gifts? You made brownies at school?
You made those?
Yay! And pardon?
I sketched. I drew.
Oh, you drew a sketch. I'm sorry, Mommy couldn't hear you.
You need a drink. They're very salty because I worked with 2 other people and somebody else in my group.
What do you mean? You didn't make these yourself?
I did.
Okay.
It was 3 people in a group,
Okay.
and we all had a job,
Okay.
and she put estimated on how much salt to put in.
Yeah.
She didn't have the right spoon.
Okay. Hold on. Wait.
They were
Poison
very
test?
salty.
Poison test.
I've had 2.
Okay. You ready?
3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Wow.
They're very salty.
Aww.
Well,
Do you need a drink?
they're so good.
Maybe you should keep attending the health and.
I did everything fine.
Wow, bud, that was so good.
Did you guys have a good day?
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
I did everything on my part fine.
Good job.
You I will always remember when I'm dancing around with someone better. Until then I will pause forever. Keep taking my time through boxes and light. We were so good at flying, but we can't keep flying.
So
Oh, did I drop a sock? Oh yeah.
That's so funny.
Is it gonna help or no?
Yeah.
I hope.
Hold on, watch your fingers.
Yeah.
Just gonna move forward a bit. Okay.
I gotta get this one in. Okay.
Do not leave
Wow.
socks on the fire
Wait,
stove.
Gosh. It's just a buffer so we can pivot it once we get to that point, I think. my fingers have like,
Yeah,
this is so sharp.
So sharp.
Okay, does it slide? Because of the socks?
Yeah.
Yeah, socks in the wind! I knew there was a use for all the socks that get lost in the other pair. I'm lifting it up a little bit. I just want to make sure it's not leaving any marks. No. Yes, perfect. I feel like so confident right now. Let's stow back for the win. It's not leaving any marks?
It's so cute. I love it.
Okay. It's a blade of grass, it's not a crack.
Oh my gosh. I had a heart attack. I nearly died. I was like, well, how did, when?
It's like a blade of grass, totally looks like a crack.
Oh man.
Wow. Okay, if you mean it, I have to be able to get in to that back corner somehow. I don't know how that's gonna happen. One off, two off. Okay, and down gently. Yep. Nothing.
What happened, Dad?
There was a blade of grass on the tile, and it looked like the tile was cracked.
Dad thought he cracked the tile.
And
at
we
the
just
time.
finished laying it, right? So, how dead, but
But
it's
Chase,
not.
I put socks on the feet of this so that we could slide it into place without it making the black scuffs on the wood stove. Oh my god.
It just makes black scuffs on the floor.
Gently, gently, gently. I have so much haze on the tile, I still forget.
It's amazing.
I love it.
Oh my gosh, I'm in love. It's so amazing.
Is it what you thought it would be like?
Yeah, it's so cool.
Okay. We had some questions in yesterday's video about why we had this sloppy cord kind of going through the front window here of the kitchen. That is our internet cord, and then today our air compressor and our extension cords and stuff we're working on in this space. So the internet cord is going to go in a different spot into the house. For right now, that's where we plug in so we can upload our videos right this moment. And then, of course, we have our cords to do the next step, which is getting windows framed up and all these loose parts finished here with the brad nailer in the kitchen space. So that will not be like that. What do you think of the wood stove? I love it. I think it gives the kitchen the homesteading vibe that we were looking for. It's gonna warm up the kitchen space. Like Philip said, this is going to be so amazing when the fire is roaring and the turkey is cooking and we're eating right there at the table. And being able to include that eat-in dining room spot into the kitchen, I can't even tell you how amazing it is to do dishes and just like look at the table.
Yeah.
Or even the TV that we put in the far corner there. It just makes it so comfortable in this space. So let us know what you think of the progress of the wood stove. We're officially done tiling. Whew, no more tiling for this series, thank goodness. I love you guys. We are so thankful that you guys always cheer us on. You guys warm our hearts in every comment section. We always stay on and read the comments when we post the videos. And you just make our hearts sing, so thank you for that. If you're new to our channel, hit subscribe. Our video analytics are telling us that about half of the viewers are not subscribed to our channel. It's free. Hit the button. That's all you have to do to support us creating the content and our dream projects here at our house. So we encourage you to join our YouTube family, hit that button, and we will see you on tomorrow's episode.